how you can activate your American Express gift card, that is Amex gift card. Now to do that, first go to your web browser and search for amexgiftcard.com and make sure that you're logged in. And if you're logged in, here you can see that it says welcome and your username. Now here what you need to do is click on my account. After you click on my account, this page will open up. Now before moving any further, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also check out our other videos on our channel, and then if you like it and if you find it helpful, you can also share it with your friends. Now let's get back to the video. Now here you can see I'm in my account. Now here what I need to do is I need to go to check balance right here. After I go to my check balance, which is usually under your account, you can see this page load up. Now after this page loads up, what you can do is you need to type in your card number, that is your gift card number, its expiration date and its security code, and then also your email address. After you do that, click on continue, and then you can activate your Amex gift card. So that is all for the video, guys. If you find it helpful, don't forget to leave a like below, and then also stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.